How to find your previous year's AGI in H&R Block Online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in hrblock.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of H&R Block. Now over here, you'll find this login section. Provide your credentials, username, email or mobile number. If you haven't created your account yet, you can click on this option of create an account and register for your account. After you fill this, click on the option of sign in. Now type in your password over here. Once you type in that, click on the option of sign in. And with that, you will be logged into your account. Once logged in, look for an option to view or download your prior year return. Once you have access to your return, you can find your AGI on the tax form. If you have a copy of your prior year tax return documents, such as a printed copy or a PDF saved on your computer, you can find your AGI there. Look for the line labeled Adjusted Gross Income AGI on your Form 1040 or 1040 SR from the previous tax year. If you don't have access to your prior year return or documents, you can retrieve your AGI from the IRS. H&R Block Online typically provides an option to import your prior year AGI directly from the IRS when you are filing your current year return. Look for an option labeled Import AGI or similar during the tax filing process. You will need to provide some personal information to verify your identity before the AGI can be retrieved. If you are having trouble accessing your prior year return or retrieving your AGI, you can contact H&R Block's customer support for assistance. They may be able to help you access your prior year return or provide guidance on retrieving your AGI from IRS. So this is how you can find your previous year's AGI in H&R Block Online. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.